day 474 overhead press every day, and the snow is by no means done. I might be able to get that. Do it seated. Z press. Z press. Fist press. And then you lose it on the negative. 48 kilogram. I don't know that I can do this. I don't know that I can't. But it came up on Reddit. That username popping up in front of me. I'm not gonna even try to one-arm it right now. Or maybe I will. Maybe I'll do, oh wow. It's 10 Fahrenheit out right now. And all the snow hitting the bell is just like insta-freeze. That's what I'll do. Switch gloves. The other one's a bit more dry, even if got the hobo look, the finger poking through. Don't feel like doing it barehanded. It's kind of annoying that all the snow is freezing to the bell. But let's see. See if I can continental this up to my shoulder. Nope. Not right now. Would be pretty cool though to get. I feel like if I can somehow just reverse arm wrestle my way to my elbow sitting on my thigh, that I could get this without the second hand. And we'll do it old time strongman style and press way hard with the other hand. Guess not. Oh, it just froze to my shirt. I got one. One fail with a little bit of Mother Nature's temperature interference. Just how badly everything's freezing to the bell right now is ridiculous. I think I'm gonna call the lift here today. Had the idea that I would do a 40 AMRAP on bottoms up press right hand, but I'm not feeling that. And if all the snow collecting on me and on the bell is freezing together at the shoulder, that kind of nixes the regular pressing plans too. It would be wrong not to at least tempt the left side. I'm gonna be like this. I'm gonna rest my arm on the bell to at least cover it slightly from the continued snow. This must look so comical. Snow coming down at a good inch an hour right now. Storm's supposed to be something like 5 or 6. Started earlier than it was supposed to. So we'll see how it goes. Got it, right hand. Let's see left. And maybe that'll help. Nope. Woo! This is what you call Pavel approved lifting circumstances. I think Pavel would tell you, comrade, you must lift bell when snow comes down inch per hour. Shh. Ah, yeah. Shh. Ah, yeah. Shh. Woo! Just the amount of snow that came down in my little brief lift here. Wonder if I'm too close. That probably was the right frame. The Pavel jokes might sound like griping, but I actually enjoy lifting out here like this. Just a little colder at 10 Fahrenheit than would be ideal to lift in, because of the fact that the snow is freezing to the bell, that I'm getting covered in snow, that the snow is freezing to the gloves. It's weird. Of course, this particular pair of gloves is on its last legs. Might be a little better with a newer pair. Fun little lift. A little disappointed that I didn't get the left arm Z press, but that triple on the second set with the right hand, 48 kilos. I'm pretty strong even from seated. See you guys tomorrow.